If you notice your vehicle is starting to idle rough, this could be your issue. Throttle bodies get gummed up all the time. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this off. Just make sure everything's disconnected. There's no power going to it before you take it off. Use throttle body appropriate cleaner. These things get pretty expensive. You don't want to damage one of these units. And if you need a new gasket, now would be the time to change it. Also give a nice cleaning to the inside of the intake right here where the throttle body sits. A lot of oil and blow by gets caked in there and you want to make sure it's nice and clean. Should look something like this afterwards.